back in this video. So we are going to use the function print again, of course. Yeah, I forgot to use my intro. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to use overstrike or strikeout and underline. It's same as bold, but this is, yeah, actually it's same. But I just need to make more content of this channel because maybe it's fun, maybe for you guys, and it's fun for me because talking to myself is fun. So using overstrike, yeah, because I'm going to use standard. So overstrike is true. You get this, yeah. Dash it. Or maybe I can call it dash it again, but I don't think it will. Just call it overstrike, okay? Because dash it will make maybe ambiguity, because you need to check whether overstrike is true or dash it is true. But I hope I can make it right. So overstrike is true, but don't forget that we need the underline too, because otherwise this video will be just a clickbait. Okay. this hello world. Yes, there is underline here, but this is middle line, so overstrike is just equal to middle line. But where is upline? I don't know, maybe Tkinter doesn't have that function, that special method. I don't know, but maybe I hope there is, or maybe I can create it, but maybe I'm just too lazy. Yes, I'm lazy, man. Just kidding. And of course you can make it both, so underline true and underline true, and overstrike true, of course. And of course you can call it bold true and italic true, which is just crazy. And don't forget, you can use FG is just foreground, okay? FG is red and BG is just green. See, this is crazy. It's crazy. But when we try to copy it, yeah, I think yeah, you can copy it. Wait, what? Yeah, okay, I don't care. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope I see you again. Goodbye.